How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Task Force Off-Road. My name is George, and that is Mike somewhere hiding in the car. If you haven't been here before, welcome to the channel. If you have been here before, welcome back to the channel. We got the Scooby back in the channel today. We're doing an exhaust. Mike, what exhaust are we installing on your car today?
Got the Grimspeed non-resonated exhaust. Fits 2011 to 2013 WRXs, and it has adapters for the 2015 models too, so it can fit both.
And before you order this, if you're going to use the stock downpipes, right? Here's the stock headers. Yeah, so if you're going to use the stock downpipes, you need to order this adapter. I'm going to link it somewhere, or at least link the part number in the description, because Mike ordered this, didn't order the adapter, went through a video to make sure he knew how to do it, and then realized he needed the adapter. So, without further ado, we're going to get into it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, before we go any further in this video, I want to mention that I started this as a how-to thing, and then it got way out of hand, and just, we got very tired. I had worked a 12-hour day at work, and things just went wrong, so it turned into kind of like a funny thing. It still kind of flows a step-by-step, and you'll see me address some stuff in the video as well, but it went from a how-to into, hey, we're doing this, and this is how it sounds. So I hope you enjoy it anyways, and keep on watching. Jack up the car.
I didn't do like fuck all of that. Do I have to? These pipes look like shit.
Yeah. Once you get the car jacked up, we're going to start working back to front, which means we're going to be removing the mufflers first. Anyways, so we're going to start working back to front, and anything that doesn't come off, we're using an angle grinder. So first, we have 2 bolts here, 2 bolts here, and then we have 2 exhaust hangers as well. That's the first thing that's going to go. And this is corroded as ever-loving shit, so it's going to be fun. Hey, you want to do me a favor? You want to turn the valving on the air compressor and give it air? Well, that didn't work. So, it's time to use an angle grinder. Angle grinder, please.
That's a good tool.
Thanks, John. He bought them for me.
Thanks, John.
Yeah, you go.
It's loose.
I don't feel like emptying the memory card.
On the hanger, and you can do that with an old muffler.
My truly!
No. That's important.
Mike wants to hear what it sounds like straight piped.
George
well,
wants to hear what it sounds like. Alright.
Are you gonna use your hand?
What?
Are you gonna use your hand?
Yeah.
Use your foot.
I'm not getting in the car.
You don't need to.
I can't reach.
The nut on this one is a 12, and the bolt is a 14 still. And it's spring loaded apparently.
Yeah, and it also just snapped in half. The bolt just broke right in half, dude.
This is why you take care of your vehicles in New England, ladies and gents. Goddamn. Alright, the exhaust hanger for your mid-pipe is right behind your rear diff. Also, if your car is kind of old and rusty, Your mid-pipe bolts might be a pain in the butt. Just fair warning on the mid-pipe bolts. But I'm not gonna do this on camera because you don't need to see me pull a hanger off. I have faith in you. All right, I'm sure you guys can tell by the light that it's much later. That's because Mike rounded off the other bolt on the mid-pipe, and we had to cut it off in like 4 different locations. But it's finally off, so now we're gonna start by putting the mufflers up. And Mike, which pole do you use in the exhaust hanger? Okay, so on this body of WRX, there's 2 lower hangers. You use the bottom one for your mufflers. So Grimspeed gives you 4 exhaust hangers, so you use those for the mufflers, and then you reuse one for your mid-pipe, or your Y-pipe, which connects to your mid-pipe, because they added a pipe. Ensure you lube your exhaust hangers.
Dawn dish soap. Not sponsored.
Not a paid product. Yet. Any Dawn executives out there? I'm watching.
We like how you save ducks with it. And they are.
Baby ducks,
Can you
bro.
support the back of this so I don't drop it on my face again?
Oh, but that's so much more entertaining.
Alright
guys, I'm gonna get back to you on the sizes, but these are flanged nuts, so your washer is gonna go on your bolt.
Internet's seeing how good my thighs look today. Ooh, why is there a mosquito under here? Should I feed that same way, or does it not really matter? Ow! And I'm cramping. Alright, order is donut. Adapter. It is directional. It has this concave to donut. Adapter. Mid-pipe. Finger where?
What?
Ow, ow, there's a piece of rust in my head. I think the... Whoa! We're good! Oh, I hit my nose again.
You're an idiot.
Yeah, I know. Alright, this isn't so bad though. I'm happy again, George.
What's that?
Because we're not stuck.
I had full confidence that we were gonna get this done.
Oh, I didn't think we weren't going to get it done. I was just worried that we were going to be here till 1. And pushing at the same time. Oops. Oh! Shit.
Alright, so I want to talk to this real fast because we did it backwards because Mike watched the Grimspeed video and did it the way they did it. Do it the way you would normally do an exhaust system and bolt things front to back because we had to undo everything to make sure it all fit and get the movements that we did to be able to bolt everything up. Also, the mufflers on this fit very, very tightly and they kind of push up against the bumper on the exhaust hangers. So once everything is bolted up, we're going to try and get some final adjustability out of the hangers. But as of right now, everything is very, very tightly fit. It's going together, but it's kind of a pain in the butt. It's kind of tedious, so that's why a lot of it's not on camera. So I don't want you guys to think like we're skipping shit out, because it has been a tedious process. So I want you guys to understand that this hasn't been the easiest exhaust install for us so far. cut hard. Alright guys, it is super in the future and I am editing this and realizing I didn't add an outro. Kind of embarrassing. So we're doing it right now. So I'm just gonna say I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button. And if you want to become a part of the task force, hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate all of you guys joining the task force. We're growing. I'm not going to use the military term for this because YouTube's going to flag it, but you know what I'm talking about. We're growing, our numbers are growing, things are looking up, and I love it. I'm glad you guys enjoy it. So I'm going to insert a clip after this. I got nominated for the 22 push-ups a day challenge by Mike, who you saw previously in this video, hit his head in a couple things. So I'm going to do the clip of that to try and keep myself honest. I'm not going to do a video for it every single day for the 22 days, but if I'm editing a video and if I film a video on one of the days, I will include it in that video. And somehow they always come home when I'm filming. I really don't understand how that happens. But anyways, that's going to be the next shot.
Yeah, it's that first day of first grade. That cute girl, your third date. That backpack, that snapback you've had since the third grade. The first time you got laid, the worst time you got played. It hurt, but you're okay. You learn from your mistakes. Your friends back in high school.
Now task force, I challenge every single one of my subscribers to start this challenge. I'll make a Facebook page, that way you can post it in the Facebook page, and you can also tag the Facebook page in it. That way, we're all keeping each other honest and we're all doing it. So I'm gonna make a Facebook page for the channel, start it there. I challenge all of you, every one of my subscribers in the task force.
Be glad that you can look back at a good past, happy that you have that. I like living in the past, it makes me thankful for everything I have. Yeah, every time that I laugh, it makes me grateful for the present and the past. Yeah, don't live life too fast, take it all slowly and you can make it last. Yeah,